Ano sa English ang "Huwag kang mag-alala, ililibre kita"? Hi, my name is Myra Cagete and welcome to a new video. Masarap din talagang marinig yan sa isang tao, di ba? Yung "Huwag kang mag-alala, ililibre kita". Pero syempre, masarap ding sabihin yan paminsan-minsan. If you want to express that in English, then you can say, "Don't worry, it's on me". Don't worry, I've got you covered. Don't worry, this one's on me. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Don't worry, I got this. Don't worry, it's my treat. Ngayon, halimbawa, ikaw ay nasa isang restaurant or bar. Pagkatapos yung may-ari ng restaurant or bar na yon ay tropa mo. At sinabi niya sa'yo, "Pre, order whatever you want. It's on the house." That means that you don't have to pay for whatever it is that you're going to order because that's going to be free of charge. Libre niya na yon. The idiom "on the house" means it's going to be paid for by the management of the hotel, restaurant, bar, etc. Be mindful of using that idiom, okay? Kasi kung hindi naman ikaw yung may-ari ng bar or restaurant or hindi ka part ng management, hindi ka nagtatrabaho doon at isa ka lang ding customer and just say, for example, "Tonight's drink is on the house." Baka pag narinig ka ng may-ari o kaya ng mga taong nagtatrabaho doon, eh sabihin, "Huh? Paano mo nasabi?" I hope that you learned from this video today. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll see you again next time. Libre mo ako? Okay, tara!